and welcome to our channel. In today's lesson, we will be exploring the numbers from 1 to 10 in Spanish. But before we start, let me remind you to subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified of our new videos. Are you ready? Let's start counting. Let's begin with the number 1. Repeat after me.
Uno. Uno.
Now, let's move on to the number 2. Repeat.
Dos. Dos.
Next, we have the number 3. In Spanish, it is
Tres. Tres.
Moving along to the number 4, it is
Cuatro. Cuatro.
Now, let's learn the number 5. In Spanish, it is
Cinco. Cinco.
Ready for the number 6. It is
Seis. Seis.
Let's continue to the number 7. In Spanish, it is
Siete. Siete.
Now, let's explore the number 8. It is
Ocho. Ocho.
We're almost there. The number 9 is
Nueve. Nueve.
Finally, we have the number 10. It is
Diez. Diez.
Great job! Now, let's practice counting them one last time. Ready? Let's start.
Uno. Dos. Tres. Cuatro. Cinco. Seis. Siete. Ocho. Nueve. Diez.
Fantastic! You have learned to count from 1 to 10 in Spanish. Continue practicing to improve your skills. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button to get notified about our new videos and continue learning Spanish.